Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spice Edge Media, and today I'm by the Pleasure Beach and I'm outside the Boulevard Hotel, which is, I think it's a 5-star. It's probably the poshest, most upmarket modern hotel in Blackpool. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spice Edge Media, and welcome to the channel, folks. We can see from here on the car park, and the big one was right above us. We've got the sun. If I turn that way, I might have a bit of a problem with the sun. So I'm trying to get you this as best as I can. There's a nice fountain there, you can probably hear. And that's the Boulevard, folks. And it's very, very posh. We've got one of the Pleasure Beach entrances there, but it's closed. As we come round this beautiful hotel, this is going to be part of my 24 hours ago in beautiful downtown Blackpool, and this is where I'm starting, and I'm going to do a trip down the Promenade. You can see in there, very exclusive, very posh. And I think it's about 30 quid for breakfast. There's a little gymnasium there, and not many people know that that hotel's there, and not many people can afford to go. So as we come down, we've now got what remains of the complex around the Pleasure Beach. Oh, we're still in the hotel actually there. So there's a little gap here. So I can't remember what they used to call this. It's an area that when Jeffrey Thompson was still alive, he made to try and attract people down this end. It's never worked in probably 30, 40 years. And you can see there's nothing much going on there. You can see in the Pleasure Beach here a little bit. And still more of this. There was an attraction here. I think it's gone now. I don't know if it's, so what is it? It's the Horror Crypt, closed up. As we come to the junction, it's a bit bumpy here. Ooh. Got the big one up there and the tunnel that goes through. I think that's Watson Road, I can't remember. As we're looking over on the prom, got a sandcastle in the distance, more of these boarded up places. Mr. Chippy, not open. Now it is a Wednesday. Part way through March, I can't remember the date. Oh, we've got a teddy shop there open. Well, that's amazing. Well, just opening. There used to be, I think, a Madame Tussauds down here. I'm not sure if that's still going. Oh, look at this real estate, folks, all boarded up. Nobody interested in it. No people down here. We've got Ripley's, believe it or not. Not open, believe it or not. So, I said before, we've got the sandcastle over there. This is not an area I come very often. I think there's amusement arcades here at the end. And I don't even think that's open. I've got the sun shining from the south behind me. What's this? This looks like a tour bus. I didn't know we had tour buses in Blackpool. That's unusual. So this is the current entrance to the Pleasure Beach, which isn't open because it's spring, I think. Yeah, I think it's spring. Got the old casino building there. As we come down, all these gift shops not open because it's out of season. So let's just try and get around here. So that sun's hidden behind us now, so we can get the front of this building and the tower. It goes up, the casino tower. Not sure if I've got that or not. It's got a Union Jack on it, if it has. So we come back down and let's head round. We're just on Balmoral Road and we're going to try and get across here. I can't see a ramp anywhere to get on the pavement on that side, which is a bit of a strange one. So there we've got the Sandcastle, folks, in all its glory. This little putting green and park here, which you might not see because of the sun. Oh, we've got a crossing here so we can get over. Toilet and kiosk. If you look down, there's a travel lodge down there, folks. So at the side of the Sandcastle, we've got this Grosvenor Casino. These little 24 hours ago videos are normally about 15-20 minutes. This might be a bit longer because I'm going quite a bit further than what I normally go. We've got the Velvet Coaster over the road there, a Witherspoon. Not sure if that's open or not. And as we come here, we end up with the South Pier, folks. So I've got to film this for something else as well. So while I'm here, it's just getting a good position. I'm going to leave you there for a little bit while I do a different type of video of the South Pier. So I'll get by this bin, then I know where I am, and I'll try and carry on afterwards for you. Still here by the South Pier, and I'm going to travel along the promenade and give you a look at that. Cheers, man. So we're heading now down. We've got Pablo's fish and chips over there and ice cream, I think. We've got this strange thing that's been here for years that nobody knows what it is. I've never seen it open, so let's just try and knock this up a notch as we get over to the sea for you. Let's have a little look. The tide's out by the end of the South Pier. I'll have to keep remembering I'm at the South Pier, which is not somewhere I go very often. And there we've got the tower in the distance, the Viking Hotel, talk of the coast. And we're off, folks. So as I said, I don't come down here very often, but this is the sights and sounds of Blackpool, although there's not many sounds at the moment except this fat old bloke wittering, the Queen's Hotel over there, and we've got the tower and the big wheel on the Central Pier there in the distance, getting closer by the second. Lots and lots of hotels along here, too many to name, and I can't really see them from here. We've got a seagull here. He might talk to us, we don't know. We'll see how we go. Hello, Mr. Seagull. How are you? Are you okay? Are you going to talk to me? No, he's not going to talk to me.
Not today.
Alright, man. I haven't had any for 2 weeks that'll sit and let me chat to them. It's been weird.
They're just basking in the sun on the beach.
A few weeks ago there were some rooks and which were they? Like black crows.
Yeah.
And they scared all the seagulls off a few weeks
The
ago.
mum lives in Hartlepool. She's got the babies on the roof.
Alright. Cheers, man. Have a good day. So I was just trying to film a seagull, and at the same time there was another guy trying to film a seagull, and it flew away like they do. So this is a nice area. I don't want to go down there, I'll end up on the beach, I think. Yep, we don't want to go down there. I'm not sure if it goes to a lower prom or goes on the beach. So we've got lots and lots of roadworks along this part of the promenade. I'm not sure if it's called the South Promenade or not. You'll have to ask Steve on Walk on the Wild Side, because he knows everything. I've not seen him for ages. I've not spoke to him since we lost the original channel, and we still only just got over that. Bobby still has bad days. We've got the Royal Carlton there, a big gap coming up here where the St Chad's Hotel used to be. It was knocked down. It's quite sunny. I've got that sun behind me, which is why I've gone to the south end and heading up to the north end. There's the gap where the St Chad's was. Next door, I forgot what it's called now, is the Lindeen. I've had a few decent evenings there. They do a nice meal and a live show in two separate venues in the building. Very, very nice. Another road taking us down to that middle bit of promenade that I don't want to end up getting stuck. So I'm coming up now nearly at the Central Pier. We've got a beautiful shot there of the tower and the Central Pier and the big wheel. Oh, don't go up there. Good God, it's a minefield down here. Really nice shots out to sea. There's a green buoy there, just behind them people. I don't know if you can see it. That's the sewage pipe outlet from this sewage station that I'm just approaching. Not sure if I can get around it this way or not. So you can see the tubes there, they're stink pipes. So you don't want to climb up them and sniff. Just as I get level with this, we should be able to see, where am I? Over there. I'll pull up and have a little look. Oh, there's a fence here, that's dodgy. Oh, there's a way past. Right, so just as I come round here, so we can see, let's get my little specs on. You can see some wooden things. I'm hoping I've got them. They're the line of the pipe. I don't know if the pipe's below them or whether it just shows the line or whether it used to flow along the top but it doesn't anymore. And out there, just behind where that man's walking now, we can see the green marker buoy, and I think that's the place where the sewage pipe ends. And so it is treated here, and this treatment works, and we'll carry on our little journey. Yeah, we can get past this. So we're now approaching the Central Pier, folks. We've got Hotel Craggy Don there, which gets really good reviews, I keep seeing on YouTube. We've got Mark Ellis there, which used to be, oh God, what was it called? I can't remember what it used to be. It's a new Mark Ellis now, party weekend. It wasn't the Manchester. No, it wasn't the Man. I passed the Manchester. I can't remember what that was called for years. Slot machines. So we're coming up to the Central Pier, and when we get here, as I said, I'll have to stop for a second. You're right, Chuck. I'll have to stop for a second because I'm in the middle of making different videos today while I'm down here, because I don't get here very often, and I don't get that big wheel from this angle very often either. So I'm hoping I've got that. We've got a mandatory tram as well while we're here. Now when I say mandatory, it normally means that on most of my videos I try and get certain things. And one's a tram, and one's a seagull, and one's an ambulance. We've not had an ambulance yet today. I've seen one but I missed it. So we're just coming now to the Central Pier. I'm just going to drop down a notch and try and cross these tram tracks. So we've got a good shot there of the tower and the Central Pier. And I'm just going to come round this side and try and get that pier for you as good as I can. So I'm going to knock it off there and get a little shot for something else. I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back. Got Candyland over the corner, donuts, ice cream, just opening up opposite the Central Pier as we look down. There's a bit of work going on there, I don't know who. The court building there is missing. We can just about see that this end has gone. That surprised me. So the Golden Mile there, most of the places are closed. There's a tram just pulling in here. I'll go up and see if he'll pass me close as I can get. I'm over this white line just to show you. Give him a little zoom. And here he comes, and we get away, folks. Now, it was a bit different to that one I tried filming the other day, wasn't it? Make sure there's not one coming that way. And we're on the Central Promenade, I think. There's that monstrosity I hate filming. And that sunlight on that beach, folks, that's nice. Now we're down here, we're coming towards the lifeboat station, and it looks like, ooh, something going on. I don't know if they're practicing or what they're doing. They've got some equipment out. No, they've not. That's a family. It's just mind that kid. Because of the orange, I thought they were some of the lifeboat crew. So I've slowed down a little bit. We've got the lifeboat station there and the tower, and here I think we've got one of the big lifeboats with its tractor. I don't know if they're going out today or what. I'll stay around here. We've got a little rib there, and this big tractor with the big inshore lifeboat. Try and get you that as best as I can. Land Rover Defender with the smaller rib. So we've just got the tower poking over there, folks. Let's get power up the scoot and spin around, boy. 10 fingers on the fender. Live and let die, I think. Black guy that gets stopped in a car just before the boat comes jumping over him. Look at that, folks. That's a bit of kit. That's a bit of kit. Faster than old captain's boats. Right, so we've got the tower. Let's give you that nice zoom in the tower. The lifeboat station's open today. I need to film that again because all that was lost. We've got Coral Island, Golden Mile Centre over here. Got a shower that's always going. Oh, it's not, it's stopped. That shower's been going for about 2 years. So as we come along, got yourself a set of wheels, boy. Okay, Sheriff JD. Oh, is a secret agent? On whose side? Oh God, we've got some, looks like some toddlers over there. We'll try and avoid them on the carpet. Now all these big sheets are taken down. Now I was filming the other day and we can see out to see a little bit better. I'm going to try and get the lovely tower shots that you like, but we've got a lot of little toddlers about which we'll try and avoid. So let's try and get this from over here first. We've got that sun just to the right, so I've got to get my glasses on for this one, folks. So apart from the little kiddies just to my left, there's nobody here on the comedy carpet. My glasses are on, and let's try and slowly go up that tower. See if we can zoom on the top a little bit, back down. So that wasn't the easiest. I can't get in the middle, I don't think, because of these kids, so I can't really do a middle shot. I could from here, but it's a bit close. So let's get past these kids and we can see back out to sea as we avoid these children. So there's a few people down there on the beach today. The tide looks like it's gone out recently, and so I don't know how long that's been. I don't know if it's been long enough or not. I'll try and get that tower from here, but we have got that sun rather bad, so I don't think there's any point in zooming. And I'm nearly at the North Pier, folks. We've got Blackpool Amusements across the way, and the beach house. And what a lovely morning. Very cold, but not quite too cold that I need gloves. I've managed to get from the South Pier to the North Pier in beautiful downtown Blackpool, and it really is beautiful. So this will be out tomorrow at 12, and it will be 24 hours ago in beautiful downtown Blackpool. The scooter's getting a bit sluggish now. I've been racing a bit far. Whoa! Morning. So we're coming up now. We've got Yates's, we've got Eden Fun and Fantasy, the Irish bar that looks like it's having some work done, Turtle Bay, and here we've got the North Pier, folks. Sometimes they let me on and sometimes they don't. But I am trying to get, the gates are shut today at the north. I'm trying to get over here and get a different shot of that for you from over this side. So I'm at Talbot Square, folks. Let's get these glasses on. Oh no. So we've got the town hall there in Talbot Square. And Flick behind me. Let's just have a quick look at this phone. No, 10:30, I think. I can't see the date. It's the day after the video when I went to the park, I think. So I've got that sun there, and I should have the North Pier behind me. So that was the 3 piers, folks. Or was it? Because there's another 3 piers over there. That's weird, isn't it? So it's Bat Steve, Spice Edge Media, 24 hours ago, in beautiful downtown Blackpool. Catch you all later, folks. Keep safe. So stay safe, everybody. Bat Steve, Spice Edge Media.